Good morning, guys.
Jinjing, wake up. We gotta eat breakfast. Wake up. We gotta eat breakfast.
We gotta eat breakfast.
No.
We woke up to breakfast at the landmark restaurant. As you can see, they serve quality and quantity. After that, we changed into our pool fits and headed to the pool. This is Budget Joseph Schooling doing his warm-up around the pool. And this is somewhere you won't see us very often. This is somewhere you will see us at very often. Here's our cozy hotel room with a lovely view overlooking Bugis. Thank you guys so much for watching.